I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So recently, Scoutcrafter issued a challenge to the YouTube tool community, encouraging us all to go make a wooden mallet. I really appreciate his intention, and that is to get us back out in the shop, and certainly I have not been out here much lately. So challenge accepted. But I don't really need a mallet. I just recently got this one in a collection of tools. It's called a Red Head Mallet by Lynx. Anyway, this works great, and I don't really need a mallet. I don't use a mallet very often. But I figured, I want to participate. So let's see what I can dig up here in the garage and put something together. So let's get after it. Well, that's it. You ready? Here she is. Look at this thing, man. You could wallop some watermelons with that one, huh? Now, I certainly don't think that it has any strength whatsoever. I watched Scoutcrafter's recent video where he showed how to put the handle in here when you didn't have a way to do it, and I used that method, and it's great and everything, but I just don't think there's a lot of strength. This part is so heavy and this part is so light, and this doesn't go down deep enough, so You know, I'm not sure how stable it is, but oh my God, how fun is that? Order in the court. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.